Let's build a shed in the freezing cold. The base is down now. It says to make it perfectly level, which I think we've definitely achieved. I wonder what these are from. Almost got the sides up. The sun is almost down. We can't feel our fingers anymore. The wolves are getting closer. So we're stopping. It's almost up. It's even colder today. Do you think they're gonna make it? All the sides are in. It feels like a Walking Dead scene from up here. Safety third to get that top beam on. Now we're just gonna do some edging and then we'll put on the edges of the shed. This looks like snow, but it's not. It's just sadness. The edging's all done, so just gotta do the doors. The Blair Witch shed is done. It doesn't come with a floor, so just haphazardly cut bits of wood to make a base. Screw, screw, screw. OSB floor on top of the battens. It's super classy. Okay, so my wife hates OSB with a passion, so we're going with organic grain-fed grass that we found in the other shed. Yeah, we're those people now. Perfect ties.
This was one of the cheapest sheds we could find and expected it to be trash, but it's surprisingly solid. Shed out of 10 would build again.